I wish to also confirm that from yesterday's exercise, tallying has continued and is continuing in quite a number of areas. We're being very deliberate about this. We're being very careful with the tallying process. And I want to confirm that tallying is an exercise that is being conducted with the candidates' agents. The other important thing to note about tallying is that vote tallying is being done at the polling station. We are not carrying boxes of votes to any other location, and there's a simple reason for this. You want to have the tally come from source. Any movement opens up the process to credibility questions. That tallying at the polling station happens in the presence of the agents, and only when all agents are satisfied with the tally do we fill in the relevant forms, ask the agents to sign them, and one new step that's being taken now is the forms are being photographed on site using their mobile phones. This means that there's no opportunity for alteration of any of those forms as they move to the constituency tallying center. So you count your votes at the polling station and carry the form for tallying at the constituency. You may have realized it's taking a bit of time, but I've noticed also there's a parallel tally going on in most media houses where we're seeing a real-time tick account of votes in various constituencies where your teams are monitoring. This is all very well, but of course the official results can only be generated at constituency level, and if it is for governors, at county level, and thereafter remitted to us. If tallying is still going on, we would hesitate to start giving partial updates on Kirinyaga. Apart from watching the TVs, I cannot declare the final tally until I actually see official information. So if there's any information going out there, forgive me for not speculating on that information, and I would rather we all hold our horses until we come here to get an announcement, or the returning officer at the very least at county level is able to make an announcement. Now, if Kirinyaga, as I recall, is a governor's race, you will appreciate that you have to go through all the Kirinyaga constituencies, get their results right at constituency level, take them to the county returning officer, and only the county returning officer can tally and announce. So you can imagine for governor's races, there's that extra step that you have to take at county level before you're able to announce. The same goes for senators, and the same will go for women's reps. So we need to be very cautious about this sort of exercise.